Okay, last game. Gotta go to bed so I have energy. I'm wearing my footed pajamas in the spirit of it. Well, my onesie pajamas. It's still a onesie. James, a onesie is just like a one piece like thing. No, that's not what it means. James, there are onesies that do not cover, that are short sleeve and like cut off at the crotch. Yeah. You don't. Haha, loser. Um, yeah, but you wouldn't be able to order the one I have, and mine is the cutest one. I don't know if they make that in adult sizes. Bingo. Brandy. Chili. That's Bandit. His name is Bandit. His name is Bandit. No, he's not a pig in every episode.
Super
No,
Fiesta.
he's not. No, he's not. It's not how it works, dude. No. He wasn't a pig. He wasn't specifically a pig in the onesie episode, James. No, he wasn't. James, there are other creatures that get hunted by cheetahs, first of all, and have 4 legs. Like a gazelle. Because that's simple. Oh my god, I just fell off the map. Whoops. Yeah. It's fine. These people don't even know me. I have a pistol! It's pistol time, guys. It is pistol time. Watch out. Oh, you did not watch out, did you? Oh, I don't have a pistol this time, guys. No, it's okay. What? What? Huh?
Happened good.
Oh.
Whoa! That thing is dangerous.
Yeah, you stole my kill, actually.
Shooting, Martha.
Fine, Gypsy. Good job. Coming, James. Oh, wait, there's a guy here. I think. Yeah, there's a guy over there. Old school.
Free. Double kill. Hell of a job, Spartan.
Can you my teammate is stealing my kills. Yeah.
Shooting, Spartan.
Where are they at?